What it do, YouTube? What it do? This your boy Joe coming to you with another review. This one a little bit different, aside from my car care stuff. Which in some cases I think this is actually needed for some car care cases, considering you're washing your car, your whip, and it's nothing to listen to. So why not have a Bluetooth speaker? I've been playing with this Bluetooth speaker here for a while. It's very nice. It's made by Aukey. This is the Aukey. The Aukey Eclipse wireless speaker. This is also, it's pretty loud, man. It has two 10-watt passive subwoofers on here. Things also have some speakers in here. Got your microphone for your wireless calling. So yeah, if you if you're washing your car, your whip or something, and you got this connected to your phone, you can actually talk on it as well. It has good range, about 33 feet. Probably a little bit more depending on if you have anything blocking between you and the Bluetooth speaker. Of course, you got your power button and your other functions on here. Your plus, minus, pause, all that good stuff. Let me see. Also use your standard charge port, just like you do on your Android phones. This also does connect to iPhone, so I want to get that out there. You have your auxiliary cord, so if you want to use your auxiliary cord, which I found out this is actually louder through Bluetooth compared to just using your aux cord, which I was kind of shocked because usually sometimes your aux cord is a little bit louder, considering the fact that you can actually change your equalizer and things of that nature. But enough hearing me talk. Pretty sure y'all come here and I want to see what it sounds like. Now I did buy this from Amazon. It was like 50 bucks. Charged it up. Right now it's not fully charged because I've been playing with it. Like I said, I had this for about 6 months, so I mean, and as you can see, the condition is still good. So it took a couple of falls, but it's been hanging in there. This fabric is like a woven fabric, almost like a cotton woven fabric. It's nice though. It feels real nice in hand. As you can see, it also look nice. But let's go ahead and get into it. See what it sounds like. All right. Second, hard on. It's loud. Connecting. Alright, I'm gonna play this beat here. This is not my beat or anything like that. It's actually was produced by a guy named Saavane, Saavane. He makes beats. It's a very, very nice beat. I like this beat that he has came out with, so props to you, Saavane, for making this beat. I do apologize if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Take no offense to it, but here's the beat. So go ahead and check it out. Usually people say, well, I'm gonna turn it up real loud or something like that, but over regular TV speakers in America, you can't really tell the difference, but here we go. This is about 75% loud, I guess. That's your Bluetooth light. right, as you can see, it does get pretty loud. I don't know if you all can kind of hear. I know usually when I look at other people YouTube videos and they turn it up or down, you know, you really can't justify how loud it really is. You have to kind of be there in person. Now comparing this, like I said, it was $50, so comparing this to like a JBL or Harmon Kardon or Bose, those type Bluetooth speakers, I mean, this is nice. I mean, like I said, you're not gonna get the sound quality as you would from a Bose or a Harmon, but it's right there with JBL. I will say that with JBL, it's I like it's punchy, and also has good mid bass. As far as like the deep lows around 30 hertz or so, nah, it's not gonna really hit that. But you know, it's a Bluetooth speaker. I mean, it's not a subwoofer you put in your car. But yeah, I just wanted to just do a quick review on this Aukey Bluetooth speaker. I probably will be coming. I'm sorry I'm saying too much. That seems like I'm saying all the time. I do apologize about that. But I will be coming with more reviews. I do not do only car reviews. I look at my arm again. I like electronics, so I will probably do more electronics as well. More Bluetooth speakers, sound bars, probably not televisions, because I don't have disposable income like that where I can just be buying TVs. But all in all, if you have anything that you would like for me to review when it comes to, you know, electronics or car care, don't hesitate. Leave a comment. You can subscribe. You don't have to. Everybody nowadays, like, you know, click the subscribe button, click the subscribe. But when it comes down to it, people aren't going to subscribe if they just like your channel, period. So I really don't like telling people subscribe to my channel and have all these 1,000,001 subscribes all over the screen or whatever. But yeah, if you want to subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for taking your time out to listen to this review. And y'all stay up, be safe. Peace.